Hello dear Sagittarius, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading for remaining days of January 2021. So let's quickly see what your partner and your energy is and the outcome will be. So your partner's energy right now is the Six of Pentacles. They are trying to balance out things with you or with this particular relationship. So they are trying really hard to balance out things in this particular relationship. On the other hand, your energy is Knight of Pentacles energy. So you are taking it very slow, although you love them, you need commitment from them and you need long-term thing with them, but you are taking things very slow. You are very slow to act on this particular relationship or with this person, or maybe you're not communicating clearly with them right now. Okay, so these are your energies. So how your partner sees you. Your partner sees you as the Ten of Wands energy. They feel like you are a person who is overburdened with the responsibilities maybe, or you are an overthinker or over emotional. So they think about you is that you are kind of over in everything in your life maybe, or you are maybe you are not that much expressive, but you think that this situation or this relationship is kind of a burden to you. You are not able to cope up with this situation right now. And on the other hand, how you see them as a Hierophant. You see a long-term future with them, and you see them as spiritual and some kind of person who is like a guiding force to you, a guide, or maybe even a guru to you in your life, or they are giving you some kind of life lessons. But overall, you want a commitment and a long-term relationship with them, Sagittarius. This is what is happening with you guys right now. Okay, what they feel about this relationship. The Hanged Man. They're feeling nothing right now. They are not doing anything about this particular relationship right now. They're in the mode of, okay, whatever is happening, it's going to happen anyway. Let's go with the flow. So they are not putting any kind of effort or putting any kind of work in this relationship. They are just still and they are just seeing things the way they are coming. Okay, and how you feel about this relationship. This is the Three of Pentacles. Sagittarius, you are hurt, but still you want a teamwork. You want to put effort in this relationship. You want to do work with them. You need them in your life, and you feel like, yes, I'm ready to put my hard work in this relationship, to work this relationship out in any manner that can be possible for me right now. Okay, and what they want from this relationship. This is the Eight of Strength. This is the Strength card, sorry. So Strength card is basically telling me that they are showing you a very courageous face, that they don't need this relationship, or they don't need you in their life, or it is very complicated and they need their own space and own time to come out of the situation or to heal from a particular pain that they are going through right now. So what I suggest you is to give them some time. Okay, that is what is happening with them. They want strength, they want courage. They want you to be courageous. They want you to be, a person with strength, a person with conviction. They don't want you to be confused or overly expressive or overly emotional or some kind of overthinker. They want you to be something like a convictional person, a courageous person who can handle anything that is coming their way right now. Okay, and what you want from this relation, the Chariot card is there. You are determined to move forward this person in your life. You feel like, yes, this is the right person for me, and I want this person in my life anyhow, no matter what other people say, no matter what my family say or my friends say. So you are determined to move forward with conviction with this particular person or this particular relationship, Sagittarius, and maybe that is why you are feeling a little hurt or detached or overly sensitive right now these days. Okay, so this is what is happening with you guys right now. The outcome from their side, from this particular relationship, is the Four of Cups. They're restless, they are very confused about you, and they don't know what to do. Okay, so that is why they are still. That is why they are not taking any kind of step right now. They are in that state of, I don't know whether I want this person, whether I want Sagittarius in my life or not. So that is why they are not, maybe accepting your offer of love. You are in love and you are maybe committing to them. Maybe you are offering your love to them, but they are right now not in the mood of accepting that right now in this relationship. Okay, on the other hand, the outcome from your side for this relationship is the Page of Wands. So you are passionate about this particular person. You know but this is a page energy. It is like immaturity. You are passionate, you love them, you feel like yes, this is the long-term commitment that I wanted in my life, but still this is the page energy. This is immature energy. Right now it is not in the phase of maturity. Right now it is not in the phase of yes, this is the right thing to do. You want it, you want to do it, and you are very, very passionate about this particular person or relationship, but right now this is not the right time to act, Sagittarius. Please listen to me, okay? And the opportunity for growth, this is the 9 of Pentacles. So the universe is telling me that right now you should focus on your own. You should focus on your own business, your own money, your own life, your own luxurious things in life, and don't focus on the relationship so much that it will confuse you, or it will make you feel like, okay, I'm nothing to them, but still I love them and I want this person in my life. So please come out of this shell, come out of this pain, come out of this painful situation, and focus all your shift on your career and your money and your expansion right now, okay? And the guidance from the universe is the 9 of Wands. So the universe is telling me that this particular relationship is giving you more pain than pleasure. This particular person is giving you more of hurt than love. So this is up to you now, how you're gonna manage this, Sagittarius. You have to manage it anyhow. Only you can manage it, okay? Only you know what to do about this particular relationship. But this is something that is giving you more pain than more pain than happiness, okay? So this is the reading for you guys for remaining days of January 2021. I hope it will resonates and help you to come out of this situation. I'm so sorry this is not a happy reading, but I know I have to tell you the truth, okay? So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much. God bless you.